Good morning, children. So in the last class, we have seen how to find the factors of the given number. Now let us see better how to find the HCF. HCF is also known as GCD, means greatest common divisor or highest common factor. HCF. Or GCD, greatest, G for greatest, common divisor. Okay, so let us take first two numbers 25 and 40. So here we will learn how to find the HCF of 25 and 40. So first we will find the factors of 25. Now see beta, it is the odd number. So here in this side you have to take only the prime numbers. Prime numbers, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, etc. Now see, it is what? Odd number. So it cannot divide by 2. So let us see the another prime 3. But 25 is not divisible by 3. So we will take the next prime. It is 5. 5 5s are 25. Now here 5 is remainder. So another once again we will divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now see, we will factorize 40. See, it is the even number. So we will take the first prime, that is 2. 2 20s are 40. Again it is even number. Now we will take another 2. 2 10s are. Again it is a even number. 2 5s are. Now beta, the remainder is 5. Now see, so we will take or we will divide this by 5. So it is 5 ones are 5. Now here we will write the factors of 25 is 5 into 5. 40. So what are the factors of this? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 5s are 50. Now see, what is the common factor between this 25 and 40? So only this 5 is the common. Therefore, HCF of 25 and 40 is, or you can say GCD of 25 and 40 is 5. So in this way, by the vertical method, you can find the HCF. Now let us see the another example. See here, we are taking 3 numbers at a time and we find the HCF. So find the HCF of, find the HCF of 150, 140 and 210. So 150. Now see beta, the 150 is a even number. So we will start with 2. 275. Now 75 is the odd number. So we will take the next prime number 3. Now see, beta, 7 plus 5, 12. That means what? It is divisible by 3. So we will take 3. 3, 25. Okay. Now 25. Now it cannot further divide by 3. So we will take the next prime number 5. 5 5s and 5 1s. So you have to divide until you will get the remainder 1. Now next 140. See beta, 140 is the even number. So again we will start with 2. 2 70s. Again it is the even number. So again we will take 2. Now 2 35s. See beta. Now it is odd number. See the unit place, it has 5. That means what? It is divisible by 5. So 5 7s. Now the remainder is 7. So again we will take 7 1s 7. Now take the next 210. See, it is the even number. So we will start it with 2. See. Okay. Now here the unit place is 5. So we will divide it by, or the next prime is 3. So 5 plus 1, 6. So it is divisible by 3. Now apply here the divisibility test of 3. 5 plus 0 plus 1. The sum is 6. That means what? This 105 is divisible by 3. So we will take the next prime number 3. So here 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are. Okay. 35. See, 3 plus 5, 8. So it is not divisible by again 3. So we will take the next prime number, that is 5. 5 7s are, and here 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now we will write all the factors of 150, 140 and 210. 150, 140 and 210. 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. 140, 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. And 210, 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now see beta, you have to note down the common factor. This 2 is common in all these 3. And one more common number is there. It is 5. Okay. Now here is 7 and here is 7. But 7 is not in the 150's factor. So we will not take 7. So you have to take only the common numbers or common factors which are common in all these 3. Therefore, HCF is this 2 multiplied by this 5. So 5 2s are 10. Therefore, HCF of this 150, 140 and 210 is 10. Got it beta? Now, so instead of doing all separate, we can do it in, at a time you can solve or you can find out the factors and we will take the HCF. Now the second method, we arrange all the given numbers in a line And then by arranging vertically, we will find the HCF. So it is what? It is vertical arrangement. Find the HCF of 60, 12, and 36. Okay, so instead of doing all the separate, we will arrange all in one line. 60, 12, and 36. Okay, and now find their factors. Now see better, all these three are even numbers. So we will start with 2. So 2 30s are 60, 2 6 are 12, and 2 18s are 36. Now 36, 18. Again they are all even numbers. So again we will take the prime number 2. 2 15s are, 2 3s are, and 2 9s are. Now see the remainders are 15, 3, and 9. See beta, all are the multiples of 3. So we will take the next prime number 3. 3 5s are, 3 1s are, and 3 3s are 9. See beta, the remainders are 1, 5, and 3. So no one number is which divide 3 and 5. So we will leave this remainder as it is and we'll take only the common divisors that divide 60, 12, and 36. Therefore, HCF is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Therefore, HCF of 60, 12, and 36 is 12. So in this way, you can arrange all the numbers at a time in the line and will find the common divisors and leave the remainder as it is. Okay. Now let us see beta another method, division method. So let us learn the division method to find the HCF. It is also known as the long division method. Okay, so let's learn to find the HCF of 144, 180, 144 and 180 and 192. So beta, here you have to find the HCF of these three numbers. So first we will find the HCF of two numbers, then take the HCF and the third number and find their HCF. Okay, so let's start 144 and 180. So here 144 ones are 144. What is remainder? Yes, 144. So 10 minus 4 6 and here is 3. Now see, the remainder is 36. Now this remainder becomes divisor and the first divisor becomes the dividend. And then we will proceed again. See, the remainder becomes divisor and the first divisor becomes the dividend. Now 36. See, 36 4s are 144. See beta, our remainder is 0. So what is our HCF? Our HCF is not this portion. Our HCF is the divisor. So this is the divisor by which we get the remainder 0. Therefore, HCF of 144, 1 and 180, 144 and 180 is 36. Okay, now we will take this HCF and our third number, and then again we will do the same way. 36 and the third number is 192. Okay, so 36 कितने सा? 36 5 सा 180. So 2 and 18 minus 19 minus 12. Now again beta, we will do the same thing. This remainder becomes divisor and this first divisor becomes dividend. Okay, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. 36 minus 36, 0. So see, our remainder becomes 0. So what is the HCF? So this divisor is the HCF. Therefore, GCD or HCF of these three numbers 144, 180 and 192 is 12. So in this way you can find the HCF by this long division method. It is very easy and quickly you can find the HCF of any three numbers. Got it beta? Now let us see the another example. So example number 2. Find the HCF of 161 and 192. Okay, so let's proceed. Again, we will apply the division method and do like this. Okay. So 161 is the divisor and 192 is the dividend. So 161 is a 161. What is left now? 2 minus 1, 1. 31. Now this remainder becomes divisor and the first divisor becomes dividend. So you have to divide 161 by 31. Now 31 5s are 155. Okay, now subtract 11 minus 5. 6 and 15. Here is what? 5 is left. So 15 minus 15, 0. Now again, this remainder becomes divisor and this first divisor becomes dividend. 31. 6 5s are 30. And 31 minus 31. Now see beta here, the remainder is 1. Now again, this remainder becomes divisor and the last remainder becomes divisor. Here 1 6 6. See, our remainder is 0. But what is our HCF? So this 1. So 1 is the divisor by which we get the remainder 0. Therefore, HCF of 161 and 192 is 1. See beta, remember the HCF of any two prime number is 1. So here 161 and 192 are the co-prime numbers. That's why their HCF is 1. Hence, 161 and 192 are co-prime numbers. Okay, got it beta? So always remember this thing. HCF of any co-prime number, any two co-prime numbers, and HCF of any two prime numbers are always 1. So let us see one more example. Example number 3, 1440, 1800, 1920. So let's start solving. So first we will take these two numbers and we'll find the HCF of these two numbers, and with their HCF we'll take the third one. Okay. So 1441 is 440. Sorry, it is 440. So what is the remainder? 0 minus 0, 0. It is 6 and it is 3. So what is left beta? 360. Okay, so it is the remainder. Now we'll take the first divisor. Okay. So 360 4s are okay. Therefore, the HCF of this 1440 and 1800 is 360. Now we will take this HCF and the third number 1920. Okay, so you have to solve yourself. Solve quickly. Don't wait for me. So take this HCF and the third one 1990. Now HCF of 360 and 1920. 1920 कितने से जाएगा? So you can solve it in rough. Yes. So it is 360. 5 1800. Okay. Now subtract. What is left? 0 minus 0, 0, 2. So 120 is left. The remainder is 120. Okay. Now it is the remainder. It becomes now divisor. Now take the first divisor. It becomes divisor. Now 120. 3 is 360. And the remainder is 0. So what is our HCF? This divisor. This divisor is our HCF. Therefore, HCF of 1440, 1800 and 1920 is 120. Okay. So children, I am giving you some homework to solve. Okay. So note down it, beta. Okay. So write one homework. It is question number 1. Find the HCF of first we have solved 25 and 40. Second 56. And 32, 40, 60, 75. So you can use any one method. Either you can use by the common division method or the prime factorization method. 16, 27, 18, 32 and 48. The next question is 105 and 154. 42, 45 and 48. 777, 315 and 588. So you have to solve all these questions.